Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to apply the currency format instantly in Excel using the shortcut key. So let's start. So here you can see I have a data, and if you want to apply the default currency, okay, in your Excel sheet, so simply select the range of data and you can press here the shortcut key Control Shift 4, and that's it. Here you can see the dollar currency is applied. Okay. So, so this is a default currency in your Excel. If you want to change it, go to the Home tab in Numbers Group. Okay, you can see here the currency format, accounting number format. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the rupees. If you want to convert in rupees, you can select here the rupees. Okay, see here the currency change. Again, you want to change any another. Okay, United States, United Kingdom, you can change accordingly. Okay. And now try again, press the Control Shift 4. I just press Control Shift 4 and see the default currency again is applied. So this is the way you can change the currency format instantly in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.